In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up a WireGuard VPN server on TrueNAS Scale, enabling you to securely access your home network from anywhere. So let's get started. I'm assuming you already have TrueNAS Scale set up. If not, you can check out my previous videos for installation guides. We'll use a fantastic tool called WG Easy that makes crafting and managing a WireGuard server a breeze. So first, let's install WG Easy. Click on Discover Apps and search for WG Easy. Click on the WG Easy app and then click Install. Now we are on the configuration page. We need to set up our networking. For WG host, you can input your public IP address or your domain name. It is recommended that you use a domain name here. For this, I'll be using my TP-Link router's built-in DDNS service. So let's quickly set that up. Find the DDNS settings. This is usually under Advanced, Network, Dynamic DNS. Log in with your TP-Link ID. Select TP-Link from the service provider dropdown. Some routers support other providers as well, but I'd recommend sticking with TP-Link. Now, create a unique domain that you want to use. This will be your DDNS address or host name. Save the DDNS configuration. Your router will now automatically update its IP address with the TP-Link DDNS service. Now, for the WG host, input the DDNS hostname you just created in your router settings. Leave WG port at its default 51820. This is the port your VPN will use. Set a password for the WG admin account. Here, you must input the name of the network interface that WireGuard will use for its VPN traffic. You can find it in the Network tab. Finally, click Install to start the installation. While WG Easy is installing, let's set up port forwarding on your router. For your client devices to connect to your VPN server from outside your home network, you need to tell your router to forward traffic on the WireGuard port to your TrueNAS server. To do this, find the port forwarding section. Create a new rule. You can name it WireGuard. Input the local IP address of your TrueNAS server. Then, input the WireGuard port 51820 in the external and internal port fields. Apply the changes. Your router will now forward WireGuard traffic to your TrueNAS server. Okay, WG Easy should be installed now and running. Let's access its web interface. Enter your admin password. Now, to create a new user, click on the plus New Client button. Give your user a name, example MyPC. Once the user is created, you can download the WireGuard configuration. This file contains all the information your client device needs to connect to your VPN. This way, you can create more users and download configuration files for each device you want to connect to your VPN. Now that we have our client configuration files, let's install the WireGuard app on our devices and get connected. We'll start with installing the WireGuard app on a Windows PC and then on Android phone. The process is very similar for other operating systems as well. First, go to the official WireGuard website and download the Windows installer. Run the installer. Open the WireGuard app, click on the Import Tunnels from File button and select the configuration file you downloaded from the WG Easy for your PC. Before you activate, you can connect your PC to any external network. Let's connect my PC to my mobile hotspot. Now, let's click the Activate button. The VPN tunnel is now active. Now try accessing resources on your home network like your TrueNAS server or other devices. If you can access them from an external network while connected to the VPN, it means your routing is set up correctly. Similarly, on your Android phone, open the Google Play Store and search for WireGuard. Install the official app. Open the WireGuard app. Tap on the Import from file and select the configuration file. Now, connect to your mobile data, then tap the toggle switch next to the newly added tunnel to activate it. Now, open a browser and try to access your TrueNAS dashboard using its local IP address. You should be able to reach it, confirming that your phone is connected to your home network via the VPN. And there you have it. You have successfully set up WG-Easy on TrueNAS Scale and are now enjoying the benefits of your own private VPN. Wasn't that easy?